The mix-up farm. This is Jack. This is Jack's farm. These are Jack's animals. These are Jack's cows. Oink, oink. Wait. Cows don't say oink, oink. These are Jack's pigs. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Wait. Pigs don't say cock-a-doodle-doo. These are Jack's roosters. Neigh, neigh. Wait. Roosters don't say neigh, neigh. These are Jack's horses. Meow, meow. Wait. Horses don't say meow, meow. These are Jack's cats. Woof, woof. Wait. Cats don't say woof, woof. These are Jack's dogs. Moo, moo. Wait. Dogs don't say moo, moo. Oh no. It's a mix-up farm. Can you help all the animals find their sounds? Moo, say the cows. Oink, say the pigs. Cock-a-doodle-doo, say the roosters. Neigh, say the horses. Meow, say the cats. Woof, say the dogs. Well done! All the animals got their sounds back. It's not a mix-up farm anymore.